when you sort of, decided to make the film and you had the subject at hand, were you apprehensive that, you might not have actors on board? What was the journey like when you sort of, chanced upon the script? And tell us about that, because, we're only talking about what has happened post the controversy. Give us an insight into, how you sort of went about it in the beginning.
Well, I guess I didn't. For me, it was just a story about four ordinary women and their secret lives. So I wasn't overthinking that. Oh, now who's going to? Because for me, everything that they do is very natural, and there was nothing out of the ordinary in that sense. Because it was just like an honest kind of a story. So I wasn't very worried about how I'm going to get actors, and I was very fortunate that. Uh, I mean, I got the actors that I did, and I don't think they ever questioned. I mean, they read the script, and we had a discussion, and they were immediately on board. So I don't think there was any sort of fear on their part. The rest, maybe Konkana can tell you, and Ratna and everybody.
It's so rare, and she didn't chance upon the script. She worked on the script for so long, and it's such a pleasure to read such a well-written script. It's not that it doesn't happen as often as it should, that one reads such a beautifully written script that rings so true and is so authentic to a certain experience, and nuanced. It's not a poster kind of thing where you're just
It's not
making a
shill
statement.
propaganda.
Yeah. It's you empathize with these women, you experience their lives with them, you understand what they're going through or why they're going through it, and it feels very authentic and very true.
At least for my character to be able to read Usha and Shireen's parts, I was like, oh yeah, this also can happen. You may not realize that there are women of Usha's age who would experience a sexual desire. It's so unheard of, and it's something that nobody ever discusses or ever talks about. So yeah, insightful.
कास्टिंग रत्ना और कोनकना को तो मतलब स्क्रिप्ट भेजा था मैंने और फिर उनसे बातचीत की और उनकी कास्टिंग हो गई. प्लबिता और आहाना के जो पार्ट्स थे उनके लिए हमारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं श्रुति महाजन और पराग मेहता. उन्होंने बहुत बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया और ऑलमोस्ट कितनी सारी एक्ट्रेसेस का ऑडिशन हुआ एंड फाइनली वी डिसाइडेड ऑन बोथ ऑफ देम. So it was a very interesting process. It was a long process to cast the others, but with Ratna and Coco, it was like straight away.
Alankrita. Okay. Alankrita, yeah. My question is before. Acha, okay. Sorry, she asked you something. Can I go?
एक्चुअली हम लोगों को इतना एहसास नहीं था कि हम लोगों को इतना एहसास नहीं था कि हम लोग अलग तरह की फिल्म बनाने जा रहे हैं. ये सब चीज़ें बाद में सूझती हैं. फिल्म बनाते वक्त इतना ही मालूम होता है कि सुबह 8 बजे उठ करके मेकअप लगा के पहुंचना है हमको टाइम से जगह पे. और डेफिनेटली इंटरेस्टिंग सिचुएशन थी. भोपाल में शूटिंग कर रहे थे, लोकेशन पे कर रहे थे, इसलिए उस माहौल का, उस एटमॉस्फेयर का को अपने आप में आत्मसात करना बहुत आसान रहा. वहाँ के लोगों के साथ मिलते थे और वहाँ जो लोग रहते थे उनके साथ भी काफ़ी चर्चा वगैरह होती थी. तो ज़बान, क्योंकि सब लोगों को थोड़ी बहुत ज़बान भी बदलनी पड़ी थी, वहाँ की बोली इस्तेमाल की गई है. सो यस, इस तरह से काफ़ी सारा रिहर्सल हुआ. शूटिंग से पहले भी, शूटिंग के दौरान भी, सीन करने से पहले भी हम लोग एक रात पहले रिहर्स करते थे. और एक बहुत ही ट्रस्टिंग और क्या कहते हैं, हेल्पफुल वातावरण सेट पे था, क्योंकि इस तरह के सीन्स करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है, इमोशनली भी. तो इसलिए एक अच्छा और सपोर्टिव वातावरण सेट पे होना बहुत आवश्यक है.
Yes, Alankrita. Hi, Nashmina from Bollywood Times. So basically, my question is: the movie was, shown across the globe, a lot of countries, and a lot of accolades and awards you guys got. were you expecting कि India आएंगे तो ऐसा reaction होगा where you know it will be completely like you know banned, not given a certification? In fact, पहले भी ऐसी movies आज like for example, I'll just give the example of Dirty Picture. It's an excellent film. उसके टाइम पे भी बहुत you know questions उठे थे, लेकिन फिर भी film release हुई you know with certain cuts maybe here and there, but in Lipstick Under My Burqa को बिल्कुल उन लोगों ने you know certification देने के लिए मना कर दिया. Were you expecting something like that, or what was your thinking then?
No, not at all. I mean, in my head, I wasn't making something that is so blasphemous or anything. So I think it was just a story. It's a story about 4 ordinary women and their secret lives, and the fact that such a small, I mean, just such a that kind of a story can threaten the patriarchal system is something I realized later.
Konkan, I would like to ask you about your character. What is it all about? What all brief did you get it from Ankita?
My character's name is Shireen Aslam, and she's a woman who has 3 children, and she manages, you know, her household and her life as per the expectations from her. But I mean, she has certain restrictions, constraints in her life, which she accepts. But she manages. But she also has her inner desires, her inner ambitions, her inner, you know, whatever things that she wants to fulfill, and she has to find innovative ways to work around the loopholes of what is allowed and what is not allowed, and still manage to get, you know, whatever these dreams are, and how to accomplish these small dreams while managing so many other things, while fulfilling so many roles, while being so vulnerable and yet being so strong at the same time.
So same question goes to the cast.
My character is called Leela, and she's a beautician, and she's a beautician, and she's again battling a same desire. She wants to do something with her life, and I'm sure that happens with most girls in India who are from smaller towns. I'm from Lucknow. अगर आज मैं लखनऊ में होती तो शायद मेरे 3 बच्चे होते, मैं स्कूटर पे होती अपने हस्बैंड के साथ, मेरी शादी हो गई होती. लेकिन क्योंकि मैं एक बम्बई जैसे शहर में हूँ, मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, क्योंकि बम्बई ऐसा शहर है जो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी देता है. You know, so she's again from a small town, and she wants to explore a world out there. उसको दिल्ली जाना है. She wants to make a life. So she has a desire, and she wants to fulfill it, and she'll probably go to any extent to fulfill that.
Ekta ji,
अरे हेलो हेलो, सारी कहानी बता रहे पिक्चर की. फॉरगेट इट. ना 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 ना, ये बहुत चालाक है कोई आदमी. ना 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 ना, इस तरह से तो सारी पता चल जाएगी कहानी. ऐसे नहीं, पिक्चर जाके देखो, टिकट खरीदो.